Which is not the example of a special purpose computer? Answer B. Word processor. Which is a volatile memory? Answer D. RAM. A portable personal computer small enough to fit on your lap is called a. Answer A. Notebook computer. In latest generation computers, the instructions are executed. Answer C. Both sequentially or parallel. A computer system that is old and perhaps not satisfactory is referred to as an. Answer D. Legacy system. Which is a valid program to access the internet? Answer C. Netscape. BIOS stands for. Answer B. Basic Input Output System. A dash is an electronic device that processes data converting it into information. Answer B. Processor. A page fault occurs. Answer A. When the page is not in memory. Word length of a personal computer is dash. Answer B. 8 bits. A key that turns a function on or off is called a dash key. Answer B. Toggle. Dash is not a microcomputer. Answer D. Mainframe computer. Computers that are portable and convenient for users who travel are known as. Answer E. Laptops. The second generation computer was based on. Answer C. Transistor. All computers must have. Answer B. An operating system. Dash is used for scanning the pictures and putting them in digitized form in the computer. Answer C. Scanner. DMA stand for. Answer A. Direct memory access. The basic goal of a computer process is to convert data into. Answer D. Diagram. FIFO scheduling is. Answer B. Non-preemptive scheduling. A central computer that hosts collections program was many PCs workstation computers is an. Answer D. Server. Analog computer works on the supply of. Answer A. Continuous electrical pulses. Compatibility is regarded to computers refers to. Answer D. Software running with other previously installed software. Full form of RAM. Answer A. Random access memory. Which of the following is not the major function of a computer? Answer D. Analyzing data or information.